If you haven't got any internet access, first thing to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner here and check the status of your Wi-Fi. Have you got this globe image down here? The globe image tells you that you're not connected to the internet. So the first thing to do is check to see if you've got a Wi-Fi toggle on the side of your laptop. Usually this is on the front edge or around the side, and it looks a little bit like this. If you have a button on your laptop called a toggle, make sure that's switched into the on position. So toggle that, see if that makes any difference, and if you can go back down to the globe down here, left click onto it, and you should see the available networks in this list here. Your available network will most likely be at the top, so whether you're with BT or if you're with EE or PlusNet, whoever it is, make sure you click on the correct SSID and left click once onto it. Put a tick in the box and click on connect. If it asks you for a code, then you need to look on the back of your router. There'll be a Wi-Fi password. You need to put that into the box. But in this case, we're connected. The computer has remembered our Wi-Fi password and it's automatically connected. And we can now see down here we've got the Wi-Fi symbol here. Another thing to try, if you can't get any internet access, is to put the pointer onto the globe down here. Right click once on the globe symbol and click on troubleshoot problems. Left click once onto troubleshoot problems. This will resolve most issues. So the computer is going to scan for issues and it will come back with a report in a couple of minutes. And we can just select all network adapters to keep things simple. Click on next. Okay, it's found an issue and it's asking us to apply this fix, and we're going to click on apply this fix, and this should resolve the problem. The troubleshooter has finished. It's found a problem and it's fixed it, and we can close this troubleshooter now, and if we look down the bottom right hand corner we can see the Wi-Fi symbol there telling us that we're now connected to the internet.